Yeah, I got another light in front of me. This is Haxtec HT-20. And I'm going to try to streamline my reviews a little bit of the less talking, but I still want to show the features on a flashlight and do a lot more testing and beam shots. So I'm going to try to hurry up through this thing. This particular light is a little bit smaller than a typical C8 flashlight. This is running a XM-L2 emitter in it, so it does give a nice tight beam, kind of a small emitter. I don't think it's driven real hard because it's got a max of 800 lumens on this thing. I do believe there's 5 modes. Not a lot of writing or anything on it. Just says Haxtec, which I've never reviewed this light before. I went out and shined it. It's a pretty decent light. There's not a ton of features, but the good thing, it's very well priced. This I would consider still a pocketable flashlight if you'd probably take that lanyard off. Simple tail clicky switch. Like I said, I do believe 5 modes. Tell you what, let's look that up quick. High, mid, low, strobe, SOS. 232 meters and a max 800 lumens. And it does come with 18650 battery, which seems pretty decent. Now the cool thing on it, it does come with a charger. And this charger, you got your lights for charging full, but when you stick this battery in, if you look here, you can utilize this with the supplied cord on one end, put the large USB port in. On the other end, of course, this is where you put the small one in, the micro, to charge the battery. But you can stick this in here, take out your dirty screened cell phone. I haven't tried it on my main phone. Let's see what happens. Well, look at that. Power bank. Pretty awesome. Really like that. That is first time I've seen that on a flashlight yet. To me, that's like an incredible feature. At any rate, does come with USB, some spare O-rings, which to this day, I've had a million lights. Got a million. I've never replaced the O-rings yet. Build quality, quite well on this. You can pick this light up on that link I'll provide below from Amazon. Very well priced. As far as beams, just quick run through it. That I do believe is high, medium, low, and then strobe. And then SOS, and back to high. It does have memory. Well focused, tight beam, but of course we'll see that outside. Now, as far as testing, we're going to go through and we'll do the Lux meter test and, of course, all the beam shots and stuff like that. So, what do you say we get rolling? All right, I got my Lux meter 4 meters away from the bottom I'm going to shine at. And we're going to go ahead and run this Haxtec, calculate the throw. Check it out. All right, that was 1130 lux divided by 0.25, the brightness of the moon, times 16 equals 72,820, giving us roughly 270 meters of throw, 268, but pretty good. Seems like it should have been a little higher than that, but do some beam shot. All right, we got the tree at 62 meters away. And here's that Haxtec, doing her pretty easy. All right, next up, tree right there, 94 meters away. Here's the Haxtec, 94 meters. We're going to move down. Right there's 130 meters, roughly. Very easily. Now this wood line back there, 140 on up to 190. 190 meters, no problem. Let's move over to the hillside. Way back there, well over 200 like I'd said. Great job. Alright, we're going to do some closer range shot in my front yard here. And here's the Haxtec on high. That pellet trap's about 28 meters away. Same with them trees. Up in the back there, you're looking at about 60 meters. Up against my yard lights, which they're not real bright. Up in that corner, there's a little skeleton, if you can see that. We're going to find out. I don't think this will put enough light on it to make it glow. Some of the brighter lights I got out to it. There's medium, and there's low. Plays tricks with the camera for the frame rate. But that's what you can expect out of this thing. Again, there's high. Alright, for this last test here, I got my car lights on high. And this is the Haxtec. Show you a comparison. Make sure I got it on turbo. And I do. Look at that. The Haxtec car headlights. Does a pretty good job. Alright, pretty nice light. Well priced, pocketable. Can't really complain about it. Build quality, like I said, is pretty darn good on this light. Call it a repurposed C8, but it's a little bit smaller head than a C8. Therefore, you can fit it in your pocket better. And my finger's healing up quite well. Literally split that nail right in half and folded my skin over. Less than a week ago. But anyways, check that link out down below for this light. Pretty decent light. Well priced. So there you go. Till the next time.